Hello everyone, this is a Microsoft Excel tutorial to learn few functions, and the functions are which we are going to learn in this is sum, average, max, min and median. In Microsoft Excel you can do the sum multiple ways. The simplest one is if you have a continuous range of numbers which you want to sum, come to the cell where you want to enter the sum and double click on auto sum and it will give you the sum. And here Excel has automatically inserted a formula which is equal to sum and the range. But this method will not work if you have a discontinuous range like this. Here there is a cell which is empty. Let's try to do it. Auto sum, and see, this is giving you the sum only up to 4 to 10. So these numbers are not included. To overcome this situation, what we can do is we can enter the formula manually, and to enter a formula use equal sign, sum, open the bracket and highlight the entire range, close bracket, and you got the sum. Now let's learn average. Insert function, search for average, highlight the range, click OK, and Excel will enter the formula and give you the average of the numbers. Now let's go to max. Same way, insert function, search for max, highlight the range, click OK, and you got your max. Min, insert function, select min, highlight the range, click OK, and you got your min. So these are few very simple functions which are available in Microsoft Excel. You can use to build your solution. Hopefully you have learned something. Thanks for watching for this tutorial. Bye for now.